In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Pixlr. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any regular rectangular image into one with smooth, rounded corners, perfect for social media posts, thumbnails, or graphics on your website. First, open your browser and go to the Pixlr website. Log into your Pixlr account using your usual details. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option called Pixlr Editor. This is the more advanced editor within Pixlr, and it's the one we'll use for this effect. Click Pixlr Editor, then either select an existing image from your library or upload a new one from your computer. As soon as it loads, the image will open in the main editing workspace. Now that your image is open, take a look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and select the Shape tool. It usually looks like a rectangle or another basic shape icon. Once you've activated the Shape tool, move your eyes to the top toolbar. Here you'll see different shape options. Choose Rounded Rectangle. This is the shape that will create the rounded corner effect for you. Next, you'll notice a setting called Radius on that same top toolbar. The radius controls how curved the corners will be. A smaller number gives you slightly rounded corners, while a larger number creates more dramatic curves. Adjust the radius value until you get the level of roundness you like. You can always undo and try a different value, so don't worry about experimenting a bit. With the rounded rectangle selected and the radius set, click and drag over your image to draw the shape. Try to match the shape to the full area of your image, so it completely covers it. When you release the mouse, you'll see a new shape layer appear in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Right-click on the shape layer. In the options that appear, look for the drop-down field under Blend Mode. Click on that drop-down and select Mask. As soon as you choose Mask, the shape layer will act as a mask over your image, cutting it into that rounded rectangle shape. You'll now see that your image has clean, rounded corners, while everything outside the shape is hidden. At this point, you can save or export your image in your preferred format. And that's it. You've successfully rounded the corners of your image in Pixlr using a simple shape mask.